วัสดีค่ะ. I'm here at Priya Rathod's house. She's a big advocate for parents and caregivers getting back into the workforce. She is a super mom of 3, so let's go tie it up. Such a beautiful home. Oh, what a treat. Hi there, the Rathod family.
Welcome.
What a treat to see you guys.
Oh, I'm so
excited to be here. I'm
Come
going
on
to take my
in.
shoes off in
Yes,
here.
please do.
Very
Indian
Asian of all of us.
household, yes.
Love it.
Welcome to our kitchen.
It is beautiful.
Thank
Oh my
you.
goodness.
Very minimalist.
I love this so much.
Which may let you know how much cooking we do in this house.
You're going to be cooking it up, girl. This is going to be amazing.
Today will be a different day. Okay, this is the fridge.
Oh, I love the secret door.
Welcome
What a
to
nice
our
surprise.
I mean, you know, so you can't really see it, and then there it is.
There it is.
There it is.
This is so amazing. You guys eat very healthy. Just like the first look, there's a lot of vegetables.
We
You eat a lot of
try.
vegetarian?
We do.
Any types of proteins you normally enjoy?
So we do like tofu, fish, lentils.
Yes. I see
Sometimes chicken. So it's healthy in the fridge, but wait till you see the pantry.
Okay, let's go see the pantry then.
Come on into the pantry.
Wowza.
So
This is beautiful.
when we built, we wanted to have a big pantry so we could organize. Here's where all the junk
The
lives.
six of snacks.
The
Man, I mean, we got
and yeah,
kids. I
here,
know where
you
that
know,
goes.
Not too bad. Lots of fruit snacks. And then this way we can put all the Indian
I love
lentils
it. This
and
is how you know it's an
spices.
Indian pantry
Exactly.
for sure.
Exactly.
This is beautiful. Okay, I'm getting amazing ideas. We have spices. There's this curry that we do in Thailand that is a cross between like an Indian flavored curry plus Thai, like one of the
Yes.
favorites. Have you had Massaman before?
I haven't. I've heard of it, but I haven't had it.
Okay, and you happen to have chicken drumsticks, so
Yes.
I think we got a plan.
Okay, let's do it.
Well, we have all of our ingredients right here. I'm so excited.
Me too.
Yes. Now, I did bring something, you know, as a good Thai chef. I literally go around town with curry paste and coconut milk in my car.
That's right. Secret bag.
I
Yeah.
think it's gonna jog like some really amazing memories because it is really an Indian-based curry flavor
I'm
profile.
gonna love it.
You're comfortable with cutting, chopping?
Yes.
Very simple ingredients as you see. I love that I'm getting to play with spices
I
because
know.
I haven't got to
It
do
smells
that in a
so
while.
good.
It does
And we have
already.
some veggies, so I feel good about myself.
Right?
Yep.
And we're cooking for your entire family for the
Yes.
weekend. So it's gonna be
Which is
awesome.
exactly what I need since
Yeah.
they're like, great, we don't want mom's cooking, but we'll take Aunt Nikki's cooking
Well,
for
it
sure.
will be your cooking very, very soon. This little genius thing from Thailand that I grew up with, the Kiwi man, of course, is a peeler slash, it also makes a beautiful design at the same time.
No, but this is
And it's
seriously so
fun.
pretty.
It's so fun. And if you kept going, you will have carrot slices ready for salads or anything like that.
So I just cut off the end,
Yep,
right?
we'll cut off the end. And then the
Okay.
other end.
Yes. I'm trying to cut the way Viral has taught me to cut.
Which
It's like
is-
use the bottom of the knife and then go like this, right? Move the actual item. Versus,
Okay, so you're going backwards.
yeah.
I like to go forward. So you're actually, your knife tip is going forward and it's like a rocking motion like this.
Is that something like
Yeah,
it? No?
just like practice like that.
Okay.
It's more natural than you trying to go into your body.
Yes.
And also you're
Could hurt myself.
potentially, this is more natural, and that's why there's that curve in that knife. Don't do that because
Okay.
you totally cut your finger. The curve in the knife gives you that rocking motion.
Oh, see?
Cooking is fun.
It is fun.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Okay, so
I know, I love how this is gonna go. I love,
You
okay.
can tell this is gonna be a long answer. I'm not very good at cooking, so I feel like it stresses me out sometimes, right? Because I'm like, I'm not good at this. It's probably I'm in my head too much. And then
You-
it like practice makes perfect, right?
Absolutely.
So I need to, I think, do it more.
Yes.
I think sometimes like between the 3 kids and the full-time job, I'm like, at the end of the day, I'm like, oh.
Yeah, you don't have time.
Yeah.
And then it becomes stressful.
Yes, versus
Yes.
like, I feel like if I had more go-tos.
Yes.
Then maybe
And
I
then
would
having a lot of things prepped like this, if you had everything prepped and you won't want to cook it and you don't have enough time, you prep a day. Then you come and cook it a day. You let it hang out. Things like that.
That's
so
such
this
a good
is,
idea, because then
yeah.
it doesn't feel as overwhelming.
And get the kids involved at a certain age, so it's kind of important.
Our middle one loves cooking.
And then we're gonna do the same thing with the potatoes.
Okay. That is so pretty.
And how easy was that?
I know. If you're Nikky, it's easy.
Love it. It's gonna be so easy for you too now.
Doing this correctly, yes.
Practice makes perfect. What is your relationship with food?
It's a really good question. So my mom, so our moms are so impressive, aren't they? But
They are.
my mom, when we were younger, she was very particular about us eating unprocessed fresh food. And she always instilled in us like healthy eating, but also it's okay to indulge, right?
Yes.
So just eat the right things, but also if you want some dessert or if you want to indulge, like also that's a part of life to enjoy. It makes me laugh because when I started cooking more and I would say to her, how do I do this? It's a very Indian thing to say, just put in a little bit of this, put in a little bit of this, and I'm like, but how much water? How much? She's like, I don't know, just a little bit, because it's like probably the way you cook, which is like all on instinct, right?
Pretty
and like
much.
what you know.
I grew up the same way. So now we're gonna cook up the chicken and make the curry.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yay! I'm gonna have you be in charge of the curry.
Okay.
So you can get really comfortable with that. All I'm doing is gonna sear some chicken thighs, chicken drumsticks.
Yep.
So that they can be, have like some char crispy skin a little bit.
Yum.
It just gives it a next level flavor.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm all about that next level.
Let's
flavor.
do it. Okay, I'm turning on my heat.
Okay.
Just scoop a little bit of that top coconut milk part
Into here, right?
into there, like 2-3 spoons of that is good. We're gonna use the entire container of the Massaman curry paste.
Okay.
But I don't know what Massaman means. It's definitely an
either.
Indian word though, I
I'm
think.
gonna have to look it up.
Yes. Woo! I'm gonna release
Smells
it all
so
out.
good.
So let's see if we're gonna sneeze or not on this episode.
I know, right?
Heating up some oil.
So just break this up.
Break it up. Might pop a little bit. Now I want to add more of the good coconut. So the top of the coconut, it's more the coconut cream.
Okay.
Where all the solids are. And then the bottom sometimes has like more of a coconut water factor. So we're kind of just really releasing all that yummy goodness from the coconut paste. I mean the curry paste.
So
Doesn't it smell amazing? Oh, that's beautiful.
Is that okay?
Doesn't it smell? So I go by smell. And let's add in all those beautiful spices next.
So I can add them in all at once.
Oopsie. Yes. Except the peanuts. We're gonna do those later.
Okay, good to know. So this.
Do you use a lot of this green cardamom?
The cardamom? Yeah.
How do you use it? Whole? I was breaking one up.
Yeah, so sometimes you use it whole in foods to get the flavor. And then also we use it in tea. We'll break it up and put it in like masala tea.
And you can add the rest of the coconut milk at this point.
Got it, okay.
Okay, chicken's been frying.
Yes, it has been frying.
Do you like my chef trick? This is chef trick so you don't get burned.
Which is why I don't cook. This is a dangerous activity. It's dangerous.
Noted. I am now gonna put these beautiful pieces of chicken in your curry.
And I am going to let you do this activity on your own.
And we're gonna add more coconut milk to this curry.
Okay.
It's gonna be amazing. So it's gonna probably cover the chicken up to halfway.
Okay, now what do I do?
We are going to add the rest of the coconut milk.
Okay. Okay.
With all that yummy goodness that's in there,
Yes.
put a little bit of water in of all the inside of the coconut milk.
And then just pour it back in there.
And we're gonna pour all this in here.
We did it.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay.
And now stir or
Stir.
just, okay.
Let's stir up that curry paste, get it really mixed into the coconut milk. And we're gonna kind of let this chicken cook down for about 10 minutes or so.
Okay.
Okay, another trick to maybe get the chicken cooking a little bit faster and get the curry in.
Okay.
I just stab it a little bit here and there.
I
Is that an
mean,
appropriate language?
Yes, and I actually feel like it would help me get out some of my daily frustration.
There you go. So the curry, you have that spice flavor in it. we're adding a little bit of sweet and salty flavor profile because with the Massaman, you want to start off with the salty, kind of sweet,
Yes.
a little bit of sour. There's like some tamarind in that
I
curry
love
paste.
it.
And we got the spice. So as we let the chicken cook down, if you want to do it a lot faster, obviously skip that whole part.
Okay.
But this is also a great recipe to use in your Instapot.
Oh, I love my Instapot.
Instapot.
Yes. I mean,
It's a one-pot
it's a
dish.
kitchen staple now, right?
Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, we're just gonna put a lid on this and have it cook through for about 10 minutes or so and then add our hearty veggies.
Oh, you can't wait.
Yay! I can smell this. It smells amazing. And this facial stream right there for
exactly.
you.
Thank you. I need all of it.
All of the above.
Of the
Okay, the chicken looks amazing. We can now go ahead and add in all our hearty veggies. Take care of that. When I got to meet you and I heard that you do amazing things for bringing women back in, parents and caretakers into the workforce, it just warmed my heart.
Thanks, Nikki. Well, it's a big passion of mine. I work at Indeed, and some of the work I've done there is to help parents and caregivers return to the workforce. And let's be honest, a big portion of that group is women, right? And they saw it got exponentially worse during COVID, as we saw a lot of women off ramp. I think it's not just about bringing them back into the workforce. It's about bringing them back into an environment that's conducive to being a parent.
They can
as
still
well.
be a parent.
Yes.
But what I found is people who have been parents have so many more extra skill sets that we need.
Yeah, and we have a direct line to employers, and I think that's where a lot of this work is going to get done. Like cooking warms your heart, this is what warms my heart.
I love it.
I wish it resulted in good food, but it doesn't.
Almost did a Nikki, throwing in some peanuts.
Yes.
I often leave out one ingredient for some weird reason and be like, oh, I forgot to add.
Yes, forgot to add this. But okay,
peanuts.
so you add the peanuts at the end, so it's still crunchy.
It gives it more crunch. It doesn't like completely disintegrate and disappear. It adds flavor also to the Massaman. So we wait for the potatoes to cook up and the carrots, so about maybe like 10, 15 minutes and it'll be ready to eat. Let's check this out. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's so pretty.
It is so pretty. You're ready to serve.
I'm ready to serve.
Cheers.
Cheers with our spoons.
I love it. Oh, your rice is awesome.
I like how you took a dainty bite and I took, stuffed my entire mouth.
A few things I learned after being on camera for a while. But it's so good, I just keep going back. Until next time, make sure you check out our recipe. It is amazing, Massaman chicken, a really simple, easy way dinner that you can have for your entire family with the little Indian blend. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, comment, all of the above. And until next time, ขอบคุณค่ะ
Shakurbad.
Shakurbad. I love that.
The Thai takeover experience today was so much fun. I knew I would learn things, I knew I'd acquire more kitchen skills, but it was just really nice to hang out with Nikki, cook, and come out with a finished product that was so delicious. I think the idea of using spices to amp up the flavor is something we do a lot in Indian cooking, and I saw Nikki do a lot today. I think the base of the curry was different than what we would normally do. So a lot of Indian bases have water in it, maybe some buttermilk, but we don't use as much coconut milk in there. Coconut milk makes the best curry sauce because that curry sauce was delicious. And of course I can't do it without Nikki's special sauces. So I also learned I need to buy Nikki's special sauces. I also learned that crisping the chicken before makes it so much tastier once it's in the curry. So that was definitely something major I learned. And then lastly is if you have a good peeler, you can make anything look pretty. And I think also sometimes we'll do the vegetables on the side and then eat them on the side and make the curry be, just chicken or just, buttermilk or just lentils. So that was definitely a difference where we just combined everything in one pot.
Cool. And so you've gone to Asia Med a few times.
Yes.
This is going to be kind of a separate thing.
Yeah.
So tell me about why you